Hi, this is Devin with Alamo Cash Buyers, and we are a home buyer in San Antonio, Texas. As the name suggests, we purchase homes for cash, and in many cases they're distressed homes. Distressed meaning there's deferred maintenance or repairs that need to be done, there's back taxes owed, there was fire damage, or it's a divorce or a custody issue and the sale needs to happen right now. So if you've got a distressed home for sale in Terrell Hills, we'd love an opportunity to chat with you and possibly earn your business. And what sets us apart is that we are the end buyer. So we're going to come in, make you a cash offer, put down a substantial deposit, and we are going to close on it. We're not going to shop the contract around or try to sell it to another investor. We're only going to need a little bit of time in your house, typically less than an hour, one time. We usually do not need an option period. And the process is so much simpler than people are used to when selling a home, when dealing with realtors and banks and appraisals and inspections. And those things can really destroy a deal, not to mention take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, a year to sell a house. So if you've got a distressed home for sale in Terrell Hills, we love that neighborhood. We're from here. We've done lots of projects in Terrell Hills, and we'd love an opportunity to earn your business by coming in, making a cash offer, and getting you out of the house in as little as a week if the situation requires it. So if that's you, if you've got a home for sale in Terrell Hills in San Antonio, Texas, we'd love an opportunity to earn your business. You can fill out the form on the website or give us a call 24/7. Thanks so much.